Hey, Jamie with the House of Rags here, and we are here with the wonderful Ivan LaCroix to go over DIY details and new offerings in their ceramic coating range. Huge upgrades, and tell us about it. Where do you want to start?
Well, we'll start with the 1 year. So our 1 year ceramic coating contains graphene, contains tetraethyl orthosilicate, TEOS for the intimates.
What a word.
Yeah, actually 4 words, but anyways.
True.
Yeah. So the 1 year coating, what we've done differently, it has graphene in it for better water spot resistance, has the TEOS for better fracturing resistance, better durability, flexibility, etc.
Okay.
But everyone knows these 1 year coatings as spray coatings.
Always a spray coating, yeah.
Always a spray coating. And we include 2 of them.
2 sprayers. That's a lot of bang for your buck right there.
But we also include one other thing.
What's that?
That is
Comes
a
with
dropper insert.
Boom. Look
That
at
way you can use it like a regular coating.
I love that.
It goes a lot further when you use that way, less chance of overspray, less waste. You can apply it with an applicator like this, or you can apply it with a microfiber towel that this gentleman's going to suggest to you right now.
That's right, yeah. Whether it's a level 1 or even a jobber towel is my preferred towel for spray coatings like the DIY 1 year spray coating.
Yeah, because once you've applied it, especially with a towel, that towel is going in the garbage.
Yep. Boom.
Yeah. With the applicator, you can put it in your rinseless wash bucket, let it sit for 15, 20 minutes, and then it'll be fine. But the towel, no.
Yeah.
It's not going to clean out of the microfiber that easily.
Well, that rolls us into the 3 year. It's still got graphene into it, so it makes sense from the 1 to the 3.
Yes, still has graphene. That graphene, once again, is there for water spot resistance. TEOS by itself is great at water spot resistance. This is a little better. The other superpower that TEOS has is fracturing resistance, and also the inability for things to stick to it. In other words, your calcium is not going to build up as quickly for those of you driving in the winter. If you live on a dirt road, it's not going to lose its hydrophobicity as quickly as other ones because that abrasion resistance is there and that clogging resistance is there.
Perfect.
Then we have the 5 year.
5 year. No graphene in this one. So why is there only graphene in the 3 and the 1 year?
Reduced graphene oxide after about 3 or 4 years doesn't perform what it's intended for, which is water spot resistance. There's no other reason to have graphene in a formula other than water spot resistance. And after 3 to 4 years, that water spot resistance is not there anymore. The molecules or the little, assemblages break apart after that amount of time and they're not there. They're not doing their job. We could put graphene in it. It's not going to do anything.
So the 3 and the 1 year are like the top coat type products.
Yes. Yeah, they can be used in a stack situation.
Everyone loves a stack. Into the 5 year, sir. What you got?
So 5 year additional gloss. And by reorganizing the chemicals in it, better gloss, definitely. We have higher solids content in the 5 year. So they go up. We start at 30% with the 1 year. We end at 83% with a hydrate.
That's a lot.
So that's a big solids content.
Wow.
And so the 5 year, great gloss, great value as well. It's $99, I believe. I'm not a price person, but somewhere around there. So $100, you'll easily get 2 cars out of a bottle. So great value for the professional out there. Good, long-lasting, durable coating, easy to apply. The traditional, put it on, wait 1 to 3 minutes, check out your rainbowing. When 50% of the rainbowing is gone, level it with your favorite level 1 towel, and off you go.
Beautiful. On to the biggest and the baddest, the new 8 year hydrate ceramic coating.
So this is a big leap in technology. And when we say a big leap in technology, not only is the hydrate a great ceramic coating, but it does one thing that no ceramic coating is really done effectively, and that is fill. So no, you're not going to fill in stone chips. You're not going to fill in deep scratches, but those little micro marring, like you have that GM black paint that it's looking okay, you've done all the polishing, but that last bit of micro marring, you're not getting it out, don't worry about it anymore. Put hydrate on it, that micro marring is filled in. Yep. So it fills like a wax fills. That would be the way of explaining it. The application method is a little different, and the 1 year can be done this way as well, which means you apply to the whole vehicle, then you level. And the reason we do that is for the lone operator, the person by themselves in their garage, mobile detailer. You apply it. You don't have to be putting down your applicator to pick up the leveling towels, to put down the leveling towels, to pick up the applicator. No, go around, apply, go around and level. So a much more efficient way of doing it for the lone operator. You've been a lone operator in the
100%.
cleaner studio for years. What do you feel about that?
That's a big win to be able to get around the whole vehicle and not have any worry, and then start the leveling process. And still, I'm not in a rush. I'm not, just efficiency maxed out.
Yep.
And less stress on me. So
yeah,
big win.
And that filling ability gives you exceptional gloss, slickness, durability. The TOS again does what it does, making it, the bonding of the TOS to the base coat or to the paint itself. And of course, there's always adhesion promoter polish. Adhesion promoter polish, not a necessity. You can use a panel prep, but the app is going to give you more gloss, more slickness, more durability, and it's actually faster than using a panel prep.
There you go. That's the DIY brand new T3 lineup of ceramic coatings from the 1, 3, 5, and Hydrate. There you go. Get them now. TaoSrags.com. Thank you, Evan.
Thank you.